Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel Technobiz. Do you want to know how to run Python program using Python ideally? So this video is for you. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Python ideally and how to create and run Python programming using it. Okay, so let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Python download. Okay, and here you can see the official website python.org. You just need to do is to click on this download Python link. It will redirect you to the download page of Python. And here you can see the latest Python download is available. I'm going to install for Windows, so I will be clicking on this link. Okay, if you want to install for some other operating system like Linux, Unix, Mac OS or any other operating systems, you can just select that option. Okay, so let me click on the Windows button. You can see my download has been started. It will not take more time and you can see my download is done. So to start the installation, I need to click on this exe file. So let me do that. It's showing me this screen. Here we have options install now and customize installation. I will be selecting customize installation, but before that we have to check mark these two options. The first option is run Python as admin with the admin privilege, and second one is add the Python path to environmental variable. So just check mark this and click on this customized installation, and here it is showing a different optional feature to keep everything default. Here we have pip, which is used for installation Python packages, and here we have the option of ideally also. If you choose customization, you will get all these things inbuilt. If you choose install Python option, you have to install all these things separately. Okay guys, this is the location of the Python. If you want to save it in any other directory, then you can go to browse and choose any one. Okay, then you can click on install. So now Python is installing in my system. My installation has been started. It will take a while, so we will wait for it. Okay, so you can see my setup is done. It is showing me Python installation was successful. Now I am going to simply click on this close button. After this, we will be verifying the installation. So for that, we are going to open a command prompt. So in the search box, simply type cmd and here select command prompt, and here type a command as python space hyphen hyphen version. So guys, it will show you the version of Python. So it is not showing any error. That means the installation is successful. Now to run Python program, you have different ways. I will be showing you how you can run Python program using command prompt. Also, I will be showing you how to run using ideally. So to run using command prompt, here simply you need to type Python. You can type py also and hit enter. Now you can see it has taken Python shell. Now here you can type any command and it will show you output. So here I am just typing an expression. So you can see it has shown me output. Okay, I can type any print statement also here. So I am just simply typing a print statement as print welcome to my channel. Guys, as you can see here, I have got an error in the output. This is because Python is case sensitive. So let me try typing the command once again with P in small letters, print welcome to my channel. So it has given me output as welcome to my channel. So now I will be showing you how to run Python program using ideally. So let me close this command prompt, and here in search box I will be typing IDLE, and you need to just select this Python ideally. So guys, now here you can type your command as you can run it. So here I am simply typing one print statement. I am typing as print welcome. But guys, you know, once you close this shell, your program will be lost. So if you want to save your program permanently, you just need to go to file menu and select new file option. And here you can type whatever code you want to see. So again here simply I am typing print statement hello world. And now after this we have to save the program. So you need to just go to file menu again and just select option save as, and then browse the path where you want to save. So I am just taking my desktop and then here I am saving it. Okay, you can use the extension as .py. Just click on this and save button. Okay, everything looks perfect. Now let us see how to run Python program. You need to go to this run menu, and here you need to select this option run file, or you can press F5 key also to run your program. So guys, now you can see it is showing me my output over here. So if you want to change your program, you can just change whatever changes you need, and to save you can just use the command Ctrl S and then run it again. Okay, so guys, this way you can install and run your Python program using Python IDLE. Guys, I hope by following my video you have understood how to install the Python and how to run simple programs in Python IDLE. If you really liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any queries, you can put it in the comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Thank you for watching.